What's up, everyone? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're back out here in Justin, Texas. It's a nice, bright, sunny day. If you can see behind me, we have a nice ag barn. We haven't had one of these on the channel. It's got a nice little features going on inside and some special openings and nice concrete work. Let's go check out this building. All right, guys, so we're gonna start here in the middle of this building. The overall size of the structure is 36 by 25. Here in the middle, they got a 12-foot section as well as the lean-tos as well. They also did 11 foot tall in the middle section here. It drops down to 10 feet and goes all the way to 8 feet here on the sides. You can see here that they got one 8x8 roll-up door on the front and another one on the back, so it allows them to drive through the building. If we go inside this building, off the left lean-to here, they got two 36 by 36 inch windows, single pane. They also have a cottage door near the front. You can start to see that they did get fully insulated. So this building is going to be vertical roof and vertical sides and end walls as well. And the insulation is going to be all over the building. Looks very nice. And if you look down just real quick, you can see that the customer did get concrete here in the middle section, as well as this section over here. And on the other lean-to, the customer only did the outside perimeter of the lean-to. So the middle section is going to be the ground. On this lean-to as well, you can see that they got a window on the back and a window on the front. Again, those are 36 by 36 single pane windows. And they went ahead and got 5 36 by 80 openings here on the side of the lean-to. Now, they did tell us that they have some future plans with this building, and those openings are going to allow them to be able to move in and out of the building very easily. Also, another reason why they did the ground here and just the concrete on the middle section and the left lean-to. Looks very nice. We haven't had a barn on this channel, but giving you some ideas. The flexibility of a barn is that it's going to be divided up in 3 sections. The middle section, you can go as wide as you like and as long as you like. The lean-tos is just where you're going to have to speak with American Steel Carports or your dealer to kind of see what sizes you can get, realistically, and to be engineer certified. Also, another thing with the center section and the lean-tos, you can always get it where we call it continuous, where the middle section of the roof line matches the roof line of the lean-to. But like this customer went ahead and they did what we call a drop down. So essentially this customer did a drop down. They did 11 foot on the eave of the middle section here, drops down a foot to 10 feet where the building connects to the lean-to, and then all the way to the outside leg is going to be the 8 foot. So that is 2 options. You can either do continuous roof line on a barn, or the drop down like this customer did. Now, I did mention earlier that they did get a cottage style door on this building. Just wanted to show you what's the difference between, our regular walk-in doors. The regular walk-in door is going to be completely solid, but this cottage door that they got is going to be 36 by 80, and it has the 9 light windows here on the front. Customer said that he just wanted kind of a little bit more extra light to come inside his building, but it looks really nice. It's a nice upgrade. Also, remember that these doors are always going to have the threshold at the bottom. So for this door to be installed, it's going to sit on the base rail or the frame of the building. So just keep aware that that's going to be there in case, you have some kind of wheelchair or something like that you want to be easily able to get in and out. Just be aware that it's going to have a threshold, so that's going to be in the way. Just one thing to keep in mind. All right, guys, before we leave, I did want to mention the colors of this building. The customer went ahead and got the vertical panels with the barn red here on the siding all around the structure, and then went ahead and got the white trim around the doors, the windows, the roof line, and the roof as well. Looks very nice. All right, everyone, here we're with the owner of what they've dubbed the Jam Barn in honor of their kids. So we're just going to ask you a couple questions and you just let us know. First question, what do you like most about your building?
I think aesthetically, I love that it looks classically like I feel a barn should look. It's the shape, it's red, and it is just what comes to mind when I think of a barn.
Yeah, looks really nice. I like the colors. It's kind of our classic light choice that we had in the past. So we've noticed that you've done a lot of customization on this building. Can you kind of walk us through everything you've done?
That was the appeal of choosing this building, is because we could tailor it to our specific needs. We could concrete the areas inside that we wanted to be concrete, and then we could leave, a portion of it earthen floor for our needs for that. We were able to put the walls where we needed them to be for future growth and for drywall eventually, and to be able to partition different parts of the interior to meet our needs.
Right. Is that why you got the 5 openings on the right lean-to?
Yes, we got the 5 openings on the right-hand side so that we are able to partition those into different stalls.
Stall, okay. Because you do poultry, right?
Right. So we raise different breeds of poultry, so we will keep different breeds in each section.
Gotcha. Yeah, really nice looking building, and good thing that you're able to customize and all that.
It was really, and the name appealed to me. It was Amelia, and that's my name. So that was a draw too. Gotcha. And while you were customizing and everything, it was really easy, or was there some difficulties? It was fairly simple. It was, we told them what we needed. They would send us the kind of mock-ups, the computerized mock-ups, and we could then say, no, move the door this way, put a window in here, make things just how we needed them to be.
Right, so you could see from the 3D model what it would look like and just make sure that, yes, that's what I want. All right, Amelia, do you have any other future plans for any buildings, or?
Well, my husband has an idea about putting in a carport, but I have ideas for more animals. So, like a alpaca or a llama or maybe an emu that we'll need shelters for. Absolutely. So I think his ideas are a little different than mine, but we'll definitely call on you guys again.
Sounds good. Would you be keeping it the same color or different colors?
Well, I don't know. I really don't know. So red is our favorite, so we would probably stick with red.
I gotcha. Well, luckily we got, I think, 13 colors now, so you got a wide variety.
Awesome.
That's good. Well, awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Let's get out of here. And thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.